Hey there, green thumbs! Welcome back to another exciting gardening adventure. Spring is here and you know what that means. It's time to get your garden summer ready. The days are getting longer, the sun is shining brighter, and it's the perfect time to start planning for those vibrant summer blooms. But what if I told you there's a flower you can plant right now that will be in full bloom in just a matter of weeks? Yes, you heard that right, just weeks. Yep, you heard me right. Weeks. Imagine transforming your garden into a colorful paradise in such a short time. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the fabulous, fast-growing wonder, the zinnia. These flowers are not only beautiful, but also incredibly rewarding for gardeners of all levels. Zinnias are an absolute gem for any garden. Their bright, cheerful blooms can light up any space, making them a favorite among garden enthusiasts. They grow quickly, are easy to care for, and come in a dazzling array of colors. From bold reds and oranges to soft pinks and whites, there's a zinnia for every color palette. Perfect for adding that splash of brightness we all crave in the summer months. Whether you have a large garden or a small balcony, zinnias can fit right in. First things first, let's talk about why zinnias are perfect for your garden. Their versatility and resilience make them a top choice for many gardeners. These beauties are not only stunning but also incredibly resilient. They can withstand various weather conditions, making them a reliable choice for any garden. Zinnias thrive in sunny spots and can handle a bit of neglect, perfect for both beginner and seasoned gardeners. Even if you miss a watering or two, they'll still reward you with their vibrant blooms. Plus, they attract butterflies, adding an extra touch of magic to your garden. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching butterflies dance around your zinnias. So, how do you get started? It's easier than you might think. It's super simple. Grab some zinnia seeds from your local garden center or online. There are many varieties to choose from, so take your pick. You'll want to plant them in well-drained soil after the last frost has passed. This ensures they have the best start possible. Find a sunny spot in your garden and sow the seeds about a 1/4 inch deep. Make sure they have plenty of space to grow and spread out. Give them a good watering and keep the soil moist until you see those first little sprouts. Consistent moisture is key during the germination period. In just a few weeks, you'll be amazed at how quickly your zinnias grow. They'll go from tiny seeds to beautiful blooms in no time. They'll start as tiny seedlings, and before you know it, they'll be bursting with vibrant flowers. It's a transformation that's truly a joy to watch. Remember to deadhead or remove the spent blooms to encourage more flowers to grow. This simple task can make a big difference in the overall health and appearance of your zinnias. This way, your zinnias will keep blooming all summer long. You'll have a continuous display of color that will brighten up your garden for months. One of the best things about zinnias is their versatility. They can be used in various garden settings and still look fantastic. They look fantastic in flower beds, borders, and containers. Whether you're looking to fill a large space or just add a touch of color to a small area, zinnias are the perfect choice. You can mix different colors and varieties to create a stunning, eye-catching display. The possibilities are endless, and you can get creative with your garden design. And don't forget, they make excellent cut flowers for brightening up your indoor spaces too. A vase of fresh zinnias can bring a touch of summer into your home. So, if you're looking to add a quick burst of color to your garden this summer, zinnias are the way to go. They offer a fast and easy solution for a stunning garden. They're easy to grow, resilient, and absolutely gorgeous. With minimal effort, you can achieve a garden that's the envy of your neighborhood. Head to your garden center, grab some zinnia seeds, and get planting. It's a fun and rewarding project that the whole family can enjoy. Your summer garden will thank you. Happy gardening, everyone. Enjoy the beauty and joy that zinnias bring to your outdoor space.